Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make the Master from the End of Time in Doctor Who. The legs come from the First Order TIE Pilot. The torso I used comes from this Black Royal Guard. I used Mr. Incredible's arms for some added colour. The hood comes from Wild Style. Finally, the hands, hair and head all come from Owen Grady. If you've built it correctly, it should now look like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to build it. I'm quite happy with how this turned out, and I hope everyone else is as well. The Mr. Incredible's arms can be omitted if you don't need them, but I think it adds a nice dash of colour, as I've mentioned previously. I'd recommend liking this video and maybe subscribing if you haven't done either of those already, and maybe leave an idea if you have one. Maybe check out some other Doctor Who videos that I've made that should be on the end screen for you now.